Have you ever felt like dating after divorce is an uphill battle? You are not alone. Maybe you're wondering, why does it feel so hard to connect with the right people? Or perhaps you're doubting if love is even possible for you anymore. I get it. I've been there. But let me tell you this. You are not broken. And yes, love is still out there for you. So today I'm going to be sharing with you why dating after divorce feels like it's so challenging. And more importantly, how you can turn things around starting right now. Keep watching. Hi there, my name is Joan, the elite dating coach for successful divorced women over 40 who are ready to become irresistibly magnetic and attract their soulmate. You see, after my own divorce, I struggled with a lot of fear, a lot of self-doubt, and endless dating frustrations. But I discovered how to rewrite my own story, and now I help other women just like you do the same. So, what are you going to learn today? Well, by the end of the video today, you'll understand the 3 key reasons why dating feels so tough after divorce. And I'll give you some simple shifts to make you feel better first, and of course to make dating feel lighter, easier, and maybe even fun again. So let's jump right into it. Number 1, emotional baggage. This is such a big one, right? After divorce, it's normal to completely feel like you have all this unresolved hurt, a lot of fear, or even maybe some guilt going into your dating life, and you bring that with you. But here's the thing. The problem with that baggage is that baggage can cloud your judgment and make it harder to attract the kind of partner that you're truly looking for and that you truly deserve. So how do you fix this baggage issue? Well, it starts with giving yourself permission to heal. I always say to everybody, the first step in dating after a divorce is to heal. You have to go heal yourself. So you go through the healing process and you rediscover who you are outside of your past relationship. When you are able to go through that processing and ground yourself in self-love, you start to radiate a confidence that draws in the right people to you. So that is the first thing, getting rid of that emotional baggage that we carry from our previous relationships into our current or future aspiring relationships. Okay, moving on to number 2. Number 2 is outdated beliefs about love, right? This is the second reason that dating feels so hard. It's because of these outdated beliefs. So maybe you've told yourself, or you've heard somebody's told you that, look, there are no good men left. That's such a common one. Really irks me. Or maybe you feel like you're too old to be going back into the dating game. Like, who am I to be dating after 40? Like, dating is for 20-something-year-olds. Not true. These are just limiting beliefs that are holding you back. They are sabotaging your ability to see the opportunities that are everywhere, right? So it's not about there are no people, or you're too old, or you don't look a certain way. No. Once you shift your mindset, this is really powerful. Once you shift your mindset and you start to replace those beliefs with more empowering positive affirmations like, I deserve love and my dream partner is looking for me too, right? How empowering does that sound? Because trust me, love does not expire with age or circumstances. It doesn't matter how many times you've been married. It doesn't matter how old you are. There is love out there. So all of those belief systems that are holding you back, the people that are whispering in your ear, the naysayers, telling you what is available, what is obtainable, or what isn't, you need to start ignoring those people, and you need to start focusing on the positive things, the things that you're truly desiring, and you will see that you will start to attract love, and dating will be less painful, right? Okay, so the third thing I want to talk about is fear of rejection. This is such a powerful one, and I can really relate to this, right? Especially if your previous marriage or your previous long-term relationship ended in not quite a happy way, right? It is natural, it is normal to be afraid of rejection, right? Because rejection can feel so personal. But the truth is, rejection isn't about your worth, it's about compatibility. I know that when I first started on the dating apps, right, I was ghosted quite a number of times, right? I had people who said to me, well, Joan, you are not my cup of tea, right? Good luck with the next dude. And for a while, that really hurt me because it's hurtful, it's painful. Like when somebody says blatantly no, it can be very, very painful. But the truth is, every no is simply a redirection toward someone that is a better fit. No more are you going to keep accepting dates from people who are not in alignment. So think of it as like a gift, right? It's a gift of you knowing that this is not what you're looking for. They are not a match for you, and you can go ahead and look for somebody who's better. So rather than being afraid of rejection, because rejection is going to happen, say this to yourself: thank you for saving me time, because there's nothing worse than being in a situationship that just wastes your time, sucks your energy, doesn't give you what you want, and creates even way more resentment and makes it even harder for you to bounce back into the dating game and stay open to possibilities, because now you have that self-fulfilling prophecy, that confirmation that there are no good guys, which goes back to point number one. So those are really the three biggest things that I find, that I see, that are making dating very painful, especially for people who have been through a divorce. So if this resonates with you, let me know in the comments. Give this a thumbs up. Share it with someone that you feel they need to hear this message, because dating isn't meant to be painful. Dating is meant to be fun, but you need to let go of that baggage that you're carrying with you. You need to let go of those outdated belief systems that are not serving you, that are probably holding you back. And you need to let go of the fear of rejection and just think of it as a gift for you to be able to move forward. So if you found this great and helpful, well, have I got something for you? I've created a brand new guide, and it's called the 12 Secrets to Effortless Dating After Divorce. And it is packed with practical tips and mindset shifts to help you navigate this next chapter, beautiful chapter I might add, of your life with confidence. So go ahead and click on the link below to get the guide right away. It's free. You've got this. I'm here cheering you on every step of the way. You deserve a love that you truly desire. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you get reminders on every single video that I drop, and you keep getting tips and you keep navigating this journey with confidence, because your true love, your dream man, is out there waiting for you. Thank you for joining me. My name is Joan, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.